Like, follow, and subscribe. My onion and pepper recipe. Of course, you got your mandolin, fruit knife, vegetable knife, red peppers, green onions, green peppers, jalapenos, and some cutting boards. Chop the heads off of the stems off of the jalapenos. You can fit in as many as you want at a time. I like to do them piece by piece. It's good, ain't it? Then you cut the stems off the peppers with the fruit knife. Go round and round, cut a nice little hole at the top. Then you cut them in half so they can fit in the mandolin. Cut them in quarters, actually. Fit in as many as you can. And then you get the chopping. Real simple. Whoops. Nice. Chop, chop, chop. Look how they all come out. It's getting delicious already. Oh yeah. Then you do the same for the red peppers. And don't forget the ingredients are in the description. So after you follow and subscribe, you can check them all out. There's a good hole right there. Press them in, chop them out. I love that feeling. Oh yeah. And some shear scissors. Great for the green onions. Chop the stems off, peel them, and then you can start cutting. Sometimes I do them one by one, but if I'm pressed for time, I'll put a bunch in my hand and just chop them all at once. Get the same effect. Oh yeah. Now feel the onions. Chop off the stems. Then do a nice little slit in half. Use the fruit knife and peel from the slit. Nice and easy. Least tears as possible. Then use that same slit and cut it in half. Put it in the mandolin and it's a go. Make sure you also adjust your mandolin for how you want it sliced. You could slice them French fry style, or you can dice them or mince them. So adjust your mandolin however which way you need to. Put them all in the bowl. Let's go. We ready? Shake it up, baby. Shake it up. Shake it up. Oh, yeah. Open up. Take a good look. There we go. Nice. Perfection, baby. Oh.